A former Rhode Island congressional candidate was arraigned today on federal fraud and election law charges.
H. Russell Taub is accused of using more than $1 million of political donations to pay for personal expenses not related to the Republican political action committees the donors thought they were giving to. Eyewitness News reporter Steph Machado is live outside federal court with the details. Steph?
H. Russell Taub pleaded not guilty in court today, but he's already signed an agreement with prosecutors to plead guilty next month. Republican fundraiser and 2016 congressional candidate H. Russell Taub emerging from federal court in sunglasses with his attorneys after being arraigned on accusations that he conducted a fundraising scheme.
Mr. Taub has no statement at this time.
Prosecutors write in court documents that he took $1.6 million from donors who thought they were giving to political action committees, or PACs, to get Republicans elected. But prosecutors say Taub took more than $1 million of that and pocketed it, spending it on, quote, international and domestic air travel, hotels, restaurants, clothing, cigars, adult entertainment, and escort services. Taub's attorney, Jeff Pine, not saying much about it today, even though Taub has signed an agreement to plead guilty. Is there any message for the donors who thought they were donating to PACs?
Not at this time.
And what about paying them back?
That'll be addressed at a future time.
Rhode Island Republican National Committee woman Leanne Senek said on a taping of Newsmakers Friday, Taub was not an active member of the official state party apparatus.
He talked a big game. He was the kind of person who would drop names a lot, and I think that was impressive to some people.
Two of the alleged victims in this case are a married couple from Ohio who prosecutors say gave $1.2 million to Taub. He is currently planning to plead guilty to these charges in court next month. Live in Providence, I'm Steph Machado, Eyewitness News.